Hello, this is the computer programming final exam. So I got the breadboard with the circuitry set up here. And then I got my code here. At the top I got all the variables, all the pin modes set out. And then the basic structure is I've got the digital reads for all the buttons here. And then I turn those readings into variables. And then with those variables, I have them actuate these functions here at the bottom. So basically, with each button press, I'm able to start the next process. And then at the end, I have a function that basically, once all three parts are made, it assembles them, and you can see it more clearly once I start the process. So just upload this, then I'm just gonna go to the serial monitor. So I'll show it to you twice, once with the serial monitor and once without it. So once with the circuitry. So if you click button 1, you can see it starts process 1. And then you see at the beginning it says process 1 starting, process 1 complete once it's done. Then once I click number 2, it'll say part 2 starting. And then once part 2 is complete, you can see it says part 2 complete. Then once you start part 3, it'll say part 3 starting. And once it finishes, it says part 3 complete, assembly starting. And so basically, once the assembly starts, each time you do it, so basically I have it where once you click the first one, once process 1 is complete, then one of these lights will light up. So basically process 1 complete, that one's lit up. So that means there's one part. Then once I start number 2 and it gets completed, you can see that light lights up. And then once I start process 3 and it's completed, the last light up. And you can see it shows it all in the serial monitor right here. Part 3 complete, assembly, and then part assembly starting. Then once the assembly is complete, it'll say parts assembled, product complete. Yep, and that's about it for the code.